Hey guys, good morning. So today we'll be trekking the Chika to Balukaghera. Yesterday we reached Chika at around 4 p.m. but I couldn't record anything because it was raining heavily after that and it rained this morning for almost 14-15 hours. So last night was really struggling, but currently the weather is still gloomy but it has cleared up a bit and the rain has stopped. It stopped raining for last couple of hours, so we hope that we'll be able to do it without any hassle. But yeah, once we reach the river crossings, on then we will get to know the water levels and only then we will be able to decide. So let's have the finger crossed. So yeah, let's hope we'll be able to reach Balukaghera today safely. And it's around 7:30 now, and we'll start in few minutes. And we are expecting it will take 8-9 hours to reach Balukaghera. So let's see what the day unfolds. Bye.
Chika to Balukaghera is around 10 km that can be covered in approx 7 hours. Beside crossing a number of waterfalls, the toughest part of the day is a river crossing, where people make human chain to cross the river. The flow of the water is so high that it makes it very risky.
So this waterfall which we are going to cross is one of the toughest of the day. So this is one, and then there will be a river crossing, that will be another.
Because of the continuous rain of the previous night, the water has risen to a level that we had to use zip lining to cross the river.
आराम से just crossed the river through zip lining, and it was very much interesting, and we all enjoyed that. Right now we are taking the lunch break at Jora. Still we have a 2 hours trek to go till Baluka Gera, and still raining outside and we're totally drenched, but I guess we will manage it till Baluka Gera.
So this is a glacier discovered by Aniruddha. So its name is Root Gauge Glacier. And now he is after creating an avalanche. Now he is heading there. Yeah, this is picturesque. I'm just wondering that it's a sunny day, how good it would look. This is coming straight out of canvas. You know, this is dream. So you could see our campsite there in Baluka Gera. We'll reach in around probably 10 minutes. Yeah. So yeah, let's go.
Hey guys, a quick update. It's 3:15 now and we have just reached Baluka Gera. It took around 7 hours in total because we started at around 8:10, 8:15. But yeah, there was some extra time taken while crossing the river through zip lining because the queue was quite large. So it took around half an hour extra there. So it rained throughout the 7 hours we trekked, but currently it has stopped. But the weather is still gloomy and it doesn't look like that it will be cleared up. But yeah, the only good news is the rain has currently stopped. So we'll just have our Maggie and tea now, and then at around 7:38 we'll have our dinner because we need a good sleep tomorrow early morning. Probably at around 8 we'll start from the top. We hope that tomorrow the weather clears up a bit so that we can get through the top easily. In the meantime, let me show you the Baluka Gera campsite.